get a criminal to comply with you?
Well, most of the time it was by outnumbering them, and once you outnumber them, you know, they know they're apprehended, and right away we're radioed and we call 911. That's the right thing to do. First thing you do is you call 911, and if you had to apprehend them, you know, while before NYPD showed up, that's what we did.
Now, you have any stories the last like 2 weeks? I'm sure, you know, something.
No, I can't think of anything. I was so busy the past 2 weeks, I can't think of anything.
Now, when you stop a criminal, do you interview them?
No, usually I don't have the time for that, or the equipment, but I know one guy that's crazy enough, he would come down and do it.
En also wie unsere Members alle können da hingehen. Lieutenant Perez, the SOL of the 9-0 precinct.
And it led to closing out 30 burglary 61s. Now, when you're looking at a command that's already seen a dramatic decrease in burglaries for the year, to close out an additional 30, which is mind-boggling.
Just want to thank Shomrim for putting this event together.
I promise you I will be back, though I do hope not as state senator squadron. Thank you very much.
I just want to say one word. We're not.
Wait. You know, wait. You know, Chaim Deutsch is running for council, so you want to endorse him right now?
See how they try to put you in the spot? He knows exactly what he's doing. He's a patrol guy. How many years? Over 30 years. Over 30 years.
Wow.
Over 30 years. He's the one who started everything.
You know what's amazing?
Joe. Him and Joe are the ones who started everything.
You know how many years? How many years are you on the job?
I wasn't here, no. How many years is Cole here? 30, 40 years, I don't know.
How many years are you on the job?
22 years.
desde mexicano,